Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. Our homepage is all set up. Now, we're shifting gears and focusing on legal matters. We're going to be creating our privacy and policy page. Let's get started and have your business rules clearly posted. First, we're going to need a new page. So go to Pages and Menu, and under Site menu, select Add Page. You can select from templates, but I think creating one from scratch is okay because you're going to be designing it yourself anyway. Once your new page has been added, make sure to properly rename it. Now, go to the plus button, go to text, and add a heading 1. This will serve as the title for this page, so I'm going to type in privacy and policy. We're going to align it to the middle and properly position it. All right, now we're going to add another text element. This time we're going to add a simple paragraph. Make sure to properly position it as well. By the way, if you're not that great in writing, that's okay. Just create a simple draft and then keep going. Once you're done inputting, you can click on AI Tool and click on Rewrite Text. This way, Wix's AI writing assistant will help you create a more cohesive and professional sounding paragraph. Make sure to read Wix's output and also make sure that it stays true to your original idea. You can keep on rephrasing it, by the way, until you're happy with the given output. All right, let's move on. Your privacy and policy page should contain different sections. So we're going to add another heading, preferably a heading 3. This will be our first section title. And we're going to add another paragraph. To make things easier, I just like to click on this paragraph, press Ctrl plus V to copy, and then Ctrl plus V to paste. And then I'm just simply going to edit the text on this text box. And by the way, you can also format the texts within your text box. Say, for example, you can emphasize a certain text by making it bold. And you can also turn texts into bulleted points. And I think I'd like to make this bold as well to further emphasize it. All right, there you go. So basically, we're just going to repeat the process for the other sections until you finish everything. Once you're done, make sure to review everything. There should be no room for error when it comes to your privacy and policy page. And once you're done and once everything's all good, click on Save to save your progress. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.